Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from Infosys. Finally, Infosys started sending exam link, which I'll show screenshot in this video. Also in this video, we will discuss what is the exam pattern, how many questions will be there, what is the total time, what will be the expected cutoff, will there be any negative marking, and related to this, we will discuss all the questions. So watch full video for better understanding. So let's get started. First, let me show the screenshot. This is the screenshot. Lot of candidates are getting this mail that you have been shortlisted for systems engineer role at Infosys. You can read all the things here. The total duration is 100 minutes. There will be total 5 sections. Let's discuss each one by one. So total there will be total 54 questions. You need to solve 54 questions in 100 minutes. There will not be any negative marking. Now let me discuss section 1. So section 1 will be reasoning ability. Here, total you need to solve 15 questions in 25 minutes, and the expected cutoff is 60%. So, if you solve at least 9 questions out of 15, then you will easily clear the cutoff. This is the expected cutoff. Actual cutoff may vary, but generally all every year this cutoff remains same. So try to solve at least 9 questions out of 15. Okay, in the reasoning ability. And now let's discuss section 2. Section 2 is mathematical ability. In the mathematical ability, you need to solve 10 questions and in 35 minutes. And the expected cutoff is 50%. So you need to solve 5 questions out of 10 to clear this cutoff. And each section has its individual cutoff. Now let's discuss about section 3. Section 3 will be verbal ability. In the verbal ability, you need to solve 20 questions in 20 minutes. So its cutoff may goes high, so cutoff will be 65%. So you need to solve at least 13 questions out of 20 to clear this cutoff. Now let's discuss next section. So next section will be pseudocode. This is very important section because there will be total 5 questions. You need to solve 5 questions in 10 minutes. For each question you will get 2 minutes, and expected cutoff is 60%. It means you need to solve 3 questions out of 5. I'll make a separate video on this pseudocode. However, I already made a video on this pseudocode. I'll put a link in the description box, but I'll make a new video in which I'll discuss few more questions in the pseudocode. Okay, so yeah. Now let's discuss next section. So next and last section is section 5. There will be puzzle solving section, and in this section there will be total 4 questions. You need to solve 4 questions in 10 minutes, and the expected cutoff is 50%. So you need to solve at least 2 questions out of the 4 questions to clear this cutoff. So yeah, this is the update from my side. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.